On the demo.
Wow, guys, it's great to see you again. I'm so glad you came back. Hi, I'm WD, and welcome to my toy channel. Let's see what new awesome toy we have today. Wow, today we have Rubble's Jungle Bulldozer. Boy, that looks totally awesome. And later we'll have today's secret word and an awesome name card. Go on, one video. Wow, let's go and open this guy up. Wow, what a great day for a picnic, isn't this old abandoned tree in the middle of the jungle? This is gonna be awesome. Uh-oh. Run, Pop! Oh no, he's going for their plane! Oh, he wrecked it! Oh no, the pups are stuck out in the jungle with no way to get out! Quick, pups, up the tree! Wow, that was close. No, but they're stuck in the tree. And they don't have another plane. Who's gonna rescue them? They're stuck in the jungle in the tree. Oh no. Poor pups. Quick, Everest! Send an alert to headquarters for help. Oh no, it's a red alert! Red alert! The pups are in terrible danger, but who can get them? We don't have any planes left.
I got my jungle excavator.
Oh, you gonna do something?
Rubble on the demo.
Oh no, can Rubble make it? This huge tree is blocking his way. Oh, let's see if he can knock it down with his excavator. Oh, he knocked it down. Yay! He cleared the forest to rescue the pups. Oh no, the terrible Indominus is trying to grab Everest. Will Rubble be in time?
Rubble on the demo. Oops. My head! My head! Where'd my head go? Who knocked off my head? I can't see without my head. Oh, there's my head. Hey, I'm looking right at myself. I'm looking pretty handsome here.
Oh no, look out, Rubble! There's another one behind you! These guys are falling to pieces!
Oh, where's my head? Where's my head? Oh, here's something. I think this one's my head. Something looks funny here. Why? Whoa! Why am I still on the ground if I got my head on? Oh no! Something is terribly wrong here. I'm gonna go look in this mirror. Oh man, I look ugly. That's not my head. Oh, here's my head. Something's funny. Why am I looking at myself? Oh man, are you ugly? Same back to you. Oh man, these are not our heads. Where's our heads? Hey, you got my head. Give me my head back. Oops. Ah, that's better. What you taking my head for, man? I don't want to look like you. I don't want to look like you either. Hey, what are we fighting for? Let's go get those pups. They're gonna make nice little snacks. Oh no, the pups are in terrible danger now. Who's gonna save them? Look, Rubble's back! Yay, Rubble! Boy, Rubble, you gotta clean this mess up now. Yay! Rubble and his excavator have saved the day! Rubble and the devil. The pups are all safe, and it's time to go home and get ready for another adventure with PAW Patrol! Wow, guys, today we have Rubble's Jungle Bulldozer. Rubble and the devil. So it says Jungle Bulldozer, and it comes with an exclusive Rubble, and let's check out the back of it. It says figure can ride inside, scoop moves up and down. And here's a look at some of the other sets, which I'll be doing a review on all of those. There you can see the movement, and there is an image from the show. Awesome. Okay, let's take a look at the exclusive Rubble first. He is really cool. He's got his jungle outfit on, jungle hat with his symbol on the hat and the front of him. He's got his jungle backpack on with tools here. It's a brown and yellow backpack. He's got a tiny little tail. His front and back legs both move, so all four legs move, and he looks really cool. And his head will turn. Okay, so we have him in his excavator. He looks awesome. His excavator's really cool. The front shovel will move pretty much about that high there. So that's cool. He could pick up stuff. And the back claw moves too. I mean, this thing will stretch out and go in lots of different directions. And the claw will open and close, so you could pick up stuff with the claw. And this front also goes back, so you could easily fit Rubble inside and then pull the cover over him. It's got his number 6 here. It's got his symbol there. A yellow and green, like jungle color motif. And then there you've got like the treads, and it actually runs on wheels on the bottom, not on the tread. So it does roll nice and smoothly. So Rubble could get to work. That Rubble's Bulldozer was totally awesome, guys. And if you want to see more fun videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button right there. And also click the thumbs up button under the video. And today's secret word is the word jungle, spelled Jungle. Go ahead and put that in the comment section down below the video. I know you enjoy the video and you're a member of my club. You wait till the video ends, there's an awesome end card. There's a lot more fun videos with Jurassic World, Minions, and Star Wars, and Peppa Pig. Wow! We'll have so much fun together. I hope to see you soon.